So based on today's build, so when you are assembling a custom watch, so what are the primary things that you need and the tools that you need? First, you would need a screwdriver. Okay, so this red is the one which we can use for most of the builds. You would need a tweezer with this delrin tip, as you can see here. So this is used to pick up the hands or any other components which are very delicate that you cannot usually pick with steel tweezers, because those leaves a mark on the components. So this is the one. You will need a movement holder like you see here, and this is something we call as a dial holder. And you will need something like this, which has a soft cushioning pad on top. So while assembling, you will need this, and obviously you will need a case, and you will need a set of hands, and you will need something called hand pushers. So these are the ones using which you set the hands onto the dial once you assemble it. And so as you can see here, we have different tips at both ends. These usually have different diameter, and apart from this, you will need something like a component which we use a lot in watch surveys. So this is called Rodico. So this I have put at the tip of a pegwood. So this I can use to pick up the fallen hands, so that I don't leave any smudge or any other prints on the hands. And this can also be used to clean the dial while assembling. So this is one of the very most important components. So, and other than this, you will need a loupe, which is like a 20x loupe, while assembling the hands, to have a better magnification to see how you are placing the hands. So mostly these are the most used tools. And apart from this, you will need something like a dust blower, as you can see here. So this we use to clean off on the dial or on the movement on the case, so that there is no dust accumulated while assembling the watch. So this is another tool that you use. And other tool that we have is something called like the friction ball, like you can see here. Okay, it's not magnifying. So you use this ball to open the case back usually. So you keep it at the back of the case, and you just turn it, and it will open the case back. So this is another important tool that you need.